Hurry up, get that done.
You can't do a damn thing until
Get that rope,
get this undone.
Get that untangled up there.
Help.
I'm doing it.
Hey, fellas! Fellas! All of this sheet, make it fast! Hey, you guys. You guys okay over there?
Good cop, bad cop routine?
Not exactly.
Never start with the head. The victim gets all fuzzy. He can't feel the neck. See?
You wanted me. Here I am.
I wanted to see what you'd do. And you didn't disappoint. You let 5 people die. Then you let Dent take your place. Even to a guy like me, that's cold.
Where's Dent?
Those mob fools want you gone so they can get back to the way things were. But I know the truth. There's no going back. You've changed things. Forever.
And why do you want to kill me?
I don't want to kill you. What would I do without you? Go back to ripping off mob dealers? No, you complete me.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Yes, Mr. Lowry.
Carolyn? Marion still isn't in?
No, Mr. Lowry, but then she's always a bit late on Monday mornings.
Buzz me the minute she comes in. And call her sister, if no one's answering at the house.
I called her sister, Mr. Lowry, where she works. The music maker's music store, you know. And she doesn't know where Marion is any more than we do.
You better run out to the house. She may be unable to answer the phone.
Her sister's going to do that. She's as worried as we are.
No, I haven't the faintest idea. As I said, I last saw your sister when she left this office on Friday. She said she didn't feel well and wanted to leave early. I said she could. That was the last I saw.
And I got to thinking about all the people I know. And the things I've seen and done. My boy Treelaw always said we're gonna have a writer in the family one day. I guess it's gonna be me.
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you.
Let's not stand on ceremony here. Mr. Wayne. Peace has cost you your strength. Victory has defeated you.
On both. Don't ring the buzzer for 19. Ring 20. Geller green, they'll let you in. Buzz our door, there's no tip for you. Pizza's on the way, I told you we wouldn't have to get up. What if we have to pee? I'll cancel the sodas.
Oh, God, you should have seen him. Read him and weep. And then he did.
Well, now, how come you guys have never played poker with us?
Yeah, what is that? Like some kind of guy thing? Like some kind of sexist guy thing? Like it's poker, so only guys can play.
No, women are welcome to play.
Oh, okay, so then what is it? Some kind of, like some kind of, what is it?
There just don't happen to be any women in our game.
Yeah, we just don't happen to know any women that know how to play poker.
Oh, please, that is such a lame excuse. I mean, it's a typical guy response.
Excuse me, do any of you know how to play?
No.
But you could teach us?
No.